This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Eason. Look at this rarely available townhome with an incredible lake view. This 1,635 square feet home has 2 master suites with a large laundry room upstairs and an open floor plan kitchen/living/dining room and a half bath on the first floor. This beautiful home has the upgraded appliance package, worth over $6,000, plantation shutters, and tile throughout the first floor. Lindsford is a gated community offering the lowest HOAs in town, $138 a month, and a spectacular community pool. There are sidewalks throughout for walking your furry friend and pet stations located around the neighborhood. This community is close to all your shopping needs, a short 12-mile drive to RSW Airport and a quick jaunt to the beaches. Hurry, these units don't last long, so call for your personal tour now. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.